Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a common problem that many AppScript users might face. Imagine working on your AppScript with great dedication, making significant progress, and then returning the next day only to find all your hard work mysteriously vanished into thin air. Frustrating, right? Well, that's the problem we're going to dig into today. One possible solution to this issue is that the script editor doesn't sync code between windows. It's quite plausible that you had the same project open in two windows, made changes in one window, saved it, and then accidentally saved the other window with fewer updates. This can have easily led to your lost code dilemma. Additionally, since you mentioned deploying the script, it's worth noting that deploying requires saving a version. By utilizing the project history feature in the script editor, represented by a clock icon with a counterclockwise arrow, there's a chance you can retrieve your missing code. For more advanced code management and better safeguarding against such mishaps in the future, utilizing tools like Clasp is highly recommended. In summary, it's crucial to stay vigilant when working on AppScript projects to avoid accidental code losses. Remember to keep an eye out for discrepancies when working across multiple windows and always leverage the version control tools at your disposal. Now, with that said, it's time to wrap up this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content, smash that like button, and drop a witty comment below. Until next time, happy scripting!